ke Seng Congress ke Jylla ke labu Jingkylli ke Sorkar Jylla Halor ke Jingpynlut phut palat haki Tamasa unong yalam ke Seng Congress usaling sama ulaong ya kini ke jo ke pisa la ban pelut hakimat ki ban ajing mentoi ki pai ba ulaong bakat ba ki brio spa ki yo ban le kemen hagi ni ki Tamasa ki brio ki beduk pat ki nang ban shushu ke jingduk ulah kedeu ru Halor ke jing bom pelat syu ya ke pisa na ke benta ke scholarship shiki kena pulih ke jing bom siu ki tulop jong ki nong hikai bat ki wei ulah kentu ke Sorkar ban penyabiang ke Jingpynlut jongka da ke ba ong ba man la ki nong shong snong ki dei ki ba kongsan om tang uwei ar ki he saipan.
It's a good on the part of the government to bring the international artists to showcase here within our place. But spending so much of resources by not balancing our own people, it does not look little good actually. But on the other way around, it was good. Okay, but on the other way around, when you look at the real picture of the Meghalaya, whether we are, we are fit to enjoy in a such way, great pomp and like that, because when the others are suffering, for example, the students haven't got their what do you call it, scholarships, and then some teachers they haven't got their salaries also, and some departments they haven't paid their DA, all kinds of thing, and even the district council in Garo Hills, though there was big celebrations of Megong festival, but maximum of the people cannot enjoy even the Christmas also